Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable of Educational Psychology, Mr. Aprianoto, MB. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tania Naila Putri. My student number is 23 29 1072 from English Department at Mandalika University of Educational. Now, I would like to share and finding my own observation in SMA 2 Labu Api about bullying and verbal abuse. Educational psychology is study of how students learn and behave and develop educational settings. It also examines the psychology factor and influence students' academic achievement, em- emotional well-being and social relationship. Positive school environment in essential because students can learn effectively only when they feel safe and respect and support. Based on observation SMA 2 Labu Api, one of the challenges faced by the school is occurrence of bullying and verbal abuse among students, although this behavior may appear to harmless jokes. Repeated negative action can have a serious psychological effect on victim. Um, Bullying may involve mocking, excluding, treating, humiliating, or intimidating classmates, while verbal abuse includes insulting, calling others by offensive nicknames, making hurtful comments about psychology appearance, family background, academic ability, or social status. From the perspective of educational psychology, bullying and verbal abuse negatively affect students' emotional and cognitive development. Victims often experience anxiety, very low self-esteem, stress, and loss of motivation to learn. Some students become reluctant to participate in classroom activity, avoid social interaction, or even lose interest in attending school. Their academic performance might decline because they find it difficult to concrete and feel emotionally unsafe. The effects are not limited of the victim. Students who frequently engage in bullying may develop aggressive behavior, poor, poor empathy, and unhealthy ways of solving conflict. If these behaviors are ignored, they might continue into adulthood and affect future relationship and social adjustment. Several factors may contribute to bullying and verbal abuse in school. In school, these are include peer pressure, lack of empathy, poor communication skills, family problems, exposure to violent behavior, though social media, and difficult supervision by adults. Sometimes students do not realize their word can deeply hurt Others difficult because verbal abuse has become normalized as part of everyday conversation. To prevent bullying and verbal abuse at SMA 2 cooperation among teachers, students, and parents at school staff is essential. Teachers should create a class atmosphere that promotes respect, inclusion, and positive communication. Guidance and counseling teachers should provide a regular counseling session, anti-bullying, and opportunities for students to discuss their problem openly. Students should also be encouraged to respect this difference, use polite language, and support classmates who experience bullying. School programs such character education, peer mentoring group discussion, and campaigns about kindness and empathy can help build positive relationships among students in education. Clear school and their consequences for bullying behavior should be constantly implemented. Parents also have an important role in parenting bullying. They should communicate regular with their children, teach empathy and respect at home, monitor their children's behavior both offline and online, and cooperate with the school whenever problems rise. In conclusion, bullying and verbal abuse are so serious issues that can be negatively affect students' psychological well-being and academic success. Educational psychology emphasizes that a safe, sportive, and respectfully learning environment is essential for students' personal and academic development. Though collaboration between the school, teachers, and parents, the and students SMA 2 can create a positive school culture where every student feels valued and respect and motivated to learn. um, that's all from me. Thank you for listening. uh, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.